guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're new to my channel. So today we're gonna dive into my YouTube analytics for the very first time. We're going to try to analyze my YouTube analytics together and see my channel growth. As you might know, I've been back on YouTube for the past 2 months, so I want to understand which kind of video works for me best and trying to get some data out of it to try and improve my YouTube channel. Especially if you are a new YouTuber, you want to watch this video, I might give you some tips. So guys, I'm in YouTube Studio. So on the left hand side, you go to analytics. And this is the first page that will appear to me. So automatically YouTube will give you only the last 28 days, but today I want to focus on the last 90 days. I can see here I've been back on YouTube from the 11th of April, and you can see here that I got 1.8k views. The watch time has been 46.3 hours and 143 new subscribers since the 11th of April. So you can see on the right hand side real time and update. So if you click here and you got a new subscriber, it will appear straight away here. You can see the live count, or if you go down here you can see the total views for the last 48 hours. And my one at the moment is only 21 views, and I believe it's because last week I only posted 1 video instead of 2. So if you go down here, you can see my top content. So YouTube will give you this list, but this list is based on views. It's not based by the average view duration, which is also very important to understand your analytics. So the top content for me is design a t-shirt with keto, which I got 245 views, but the average duration is only 1.24 seconds, which means that people that they clicked on the video after the average that they stayed on the video is only 1 minute and 24 seconds, and then they swiped. So if you go here in content, you can choose between video and shorts. It depends what do you do in your YouTube channel. So I will choose videos for now, and you can see here I got 1.6k of views. The impression is 32k. So the impressions are basically how many times your thumbnails has been shown to people. But here the impression click-through rate is only 3.1%. It means that only 3.1% that they've seen my thumbnail, they clicked on it, and the average duration is 1.40. And this is about all my videos. It's not only for one video. But if you scroll down, you can actually see the best video with the average view duration, which is vlogging with Osmo Pocket 3. So you can see here that 61% of people that they clicked on the video, they're still watching at 30 seconds. And here as well, this is another vlogging. 49% of people, they're still watching at 30 minutes. And you can actually see the graph over here. So here is where people clicked on the video, and then you can see the drastically drop after a few minutes. And if you see at the end, only 5% of the people that they clicked on the video, they still watch the video until the end. So the viewers, they found this video, 41% of them, they found this video on the home page, or because they are subscribed. 29.4% appears on the channel pages. So if somebody clicked on your page and clicked on the video. 9.4% external, suggested videos 5.6%, direct or unknown 5.5%. So if we go to audience, and so you can clearly see here that returning viewers are much lower than the new viewers. So if you can see here, my watch time from subscribers is only 23.4%, and 76.7% from people that haven't subscribed to my channel yet, and their age is between 25 to 34 years old, and mainly female. With this data, it made me think that maybe for my channel it's better to do maybe more vlogs than anything else and see how it goes. So this is my plan, so this is what I will do. So remember, if you're a new YouTuber, just trying to keep up with the videos. Don't post a video today and the next video in 3 months time, because it's not gonna take you anywhere. Just keep posting at least once a week, if you can twice a week, and you will see the improvement. Also, if you haven't seen my other video about VIDIQ, I will leave the link down below where I explain how I got many views. That tool is actually really good to help you to look at your analytics, and as well help you to generate your videos, to help you with the title, with the description, with the thumbnail. So it's really helpful. As usual, I will leave the the discount code down below, so you can get the 50% off for 2 months. If you have any kind of question, just drop the comment down below, and if you like the video, make sure that you press that like button. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.